Most traders are losing money, not because their strategy is bad, not because their strategy sucks, but it's because they are trading at the wrong times. Yes, that's right. You are trading at the wrong times. That is why you're not seeing profitability in the markets. If you don't understand the Forex sessions, you are actually trading blindly. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly the best times for you to trade Forex and how to use it to increase your win rate. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Leo Kay from the Kay Forex Academy. I'm that guy who's always preaching about Forex. If you already know me, you know what we're talking about. And if you don't know me, please subscribe to this channel. If you've never seen me, if it's your first time to see this face in your phone or in your computer, I'd like to ask you to press that subscribe button and turn on that notification bell so that you can be notified every time we bring valuable information like this, because we really drop real Forex knowledge. Well, without wasting much of your time, let's get into it. What are we talking about today? Today we are talking about market sessions. I think it's very important and very crucial for you as a Forex trader or aspiring to become a Forex trader to know the market sessions. Yes, it's very important. So we have got three major market sessions, namely Asian session. Other people, they prefer calling it Tokyo session. Well, it's still the same thing. There is Asian session, there is London session, and there is also New York session. Now, how does these sessions differ? Well, that is why I am here, to inform you how they differ. So this is how they differ. The Tokyo session or the Asian session is very, very low in terms of volatility. It is very low, and it is opening. The Asian session normally opens at 2 a.m. It opens at 2 a.m. in my South African time. It's 2 a.m. and it's very low. It's not that volatile. It's a steady market. So if you're one person who prefer to trade in a market that is not so volatile, then that is your market session. Then comes the London session. Now in the London session, it is where the markets get strong, if you understand. That's where the markets start moving strong. The markets start moving so strong, if you understand what I mean. It normally opens at 9 a.m. South African time. So wherever you're watching me from, you can always maybe Google and try to search what time is 9 a.m. in South Africa. Then you will know there's a time where the London session opens. Then we have the New York session. New York session opens at 3 p.m. my South African time. Well, same applies to what I just said. If you don't know what time is 3 p.m. in South Africa, you can always Google it so that it can match your time from wherever you're watching us from. Now, in the New York sessions, that's where, you know, there is more volatility. There is more volatility. You know, there's more money to be made in the New York session because it is that session that is too volatile. So this is the difference between the three sessions that I have just told you about. If you want high probability trades, you must focus on New York session and you must focus on London session. Right, that's right. Why? Because that's when the volume is high. The volume is high, the liquidity is high, and the markets are actually moving. If you want to catch those high probability trades, you're gonna have to trade London session, and you're gonna have you find your perfect setups. This is where you find your perfect setups. This is exactly how I also trade. I don't just trade. I don't just trade. I use 10 EMA and I use 23 EMA. That's exponential moving averages that I use. 10 exponential moving average, and I also use 23 exponential moving averages, and I also use pullbacks. But I don't trade anytime. I wait for those sessions, London session and New York session. I wait for them because that's where the markets respect the setup, it respects the structure, and it gives clean entries in the London session and in the New York session. Now let me show you why most traders fail. It's because they trade anytime. They don't know whether it's London session or it's a New York session or what session it is. They just take a trade. Now that's the best way for you to fail in the forex markets. For you just to take a trade anytime, any day. You will fail if you trade like that. You will fail if you ever trade like that. Okay, and you don't have to enter trades when there is no volatility. Like when it's Asian session, the markets are not volatile, so you won't make money. So you need to know now it's New York session, the markets are volatile. That's where you enter. You will find clean setups, and you will find clean entries as well. So me, I trade, like I'm telling you, I trade what I call the LGCS strategy. It is my strategy that I use. It's called the Leo K Golden Confluence strategy. It's the strategy that I use, and with that strategy I make sure that when I trade in the New York session and in the London session. Okay, so if you overtrade, if you are going to be trading all day long without knowing what session you are in, you are likely to fail. You are likely not to make money, and most of all, you are likely to blow your account. So you need to know these things. If you can only fix your timing, if you can know what session to trade on, you will already improve your trading. You don't need to trade all day. You need to know what sessions you are trading on. You need to start trading smart. If you want to learn how to trade these sessions step by step and get real signals, if you want to trade these sessions I'm talking about and get real signals, you have to join my free Telegram group. My free Telegram group, the link is in the description of this video. I will put it there so that you can copy it and join my free Telegram group. Then I will show you step by step. I will guide you step by step how to trade these market sessions and to trade exactly like how I trade the LGCS, the Leo K Golden Confluence strategy, which is my own strategy that I've invented. All right. So don't forget discipline, consistency, and patience in order for you to make it in the markets. So till next time, God bless you. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel.